Hello and welcome to today's unboxing of the IIYAMA G-Master GB2760QSU 27-inch gaming monitor. The monitor comes packed in a tight fitting box with polystyrene protection. Within the box you can find the stand base, power lead, one USB 3 cable, one DisplayPort cable, one HDMI cable, and 3 screws to connect the monitor arm to the provided base. The monitor arm comes pre-attached, however this can be removed and does support VESA mounting. The monitor base is easily attached. Simply place the base around the arm and screw in the 3 provided screws. This IIYAMA monitor comes with 2 USB connections, 1 DVI, 1 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort connection with an additional headphone connector. The monitor has AMD FreeSync support via HDMI and DisplayPort connections at 144Hz and features an integrated speaker with a matte finish TN LED panel, a native resolution of 2560 by 1440, a refresh rate of 144Hz and 1 millisecond response time. This gaming monitor would be a fantastic addition to your gaming battle station.